Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KZ boxes on TradingView. First, we'll cover what KZ boxes are and why they are valuable for traders. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to add them to your chart. Finally, we'll discuss the fundamental ways to interpret their signals, helping you identify potential trading opportunities with greater clarity. This tool can significantly enhance your technical analysis. To add KZ boxes, open your TradingView chart and locate the Indicators button at the top. Click it, then type KZ boxes into the search bar. You'll see several options. Choose the one that best suits your needs, often by a popular author. Once added, click the gear icon next to the indicator name on your chart to adjust colors, line thickness, and other visual preferences for optimal viewing. Interpreting KZ boxes is straightforward. Generally, green boxes suggest bullish sentiment or potential support, while red boxes indicate bearish pressure or resistance. The size of the box is also crucial. Larger boxes signify periods of higher volatility and stronger price movements, whereas smaller boxes often point to consolidation or lower market activity. Use these visual cues to anticipate potential price action. For advanced use, consider combining KZ boxes with other indicators like moving averages or the relative strength index to confirm signals and reduce false positives. Remember, no single indicator is perfect, so always practice risk management. Test your strategies thoroughly on a demo account before applying them to live trading. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life. This will help you refine your approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.